everyone, my name is Arjita and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube and I have a purpose for it. But before I tell you the purpose, I want you to go through my introduction. So basically, I am currently doing my undergraduation in Bachelor of Arts, BA, and it's still I'm still suffering to become a graduate because of pandemic. uh, Otherwise it would have been over till now, but that's okay. Apart from this, I was a professional lawn tennis player. I used to play tennis uh, before. I started playing in 2010, and unfortunately I went to Delhi in 2018 for my further training, but due to a shift in my personality, I realized that this is not exactly what I want to pursue as a career, and this is not something that I want from my life. I realized that I'm very creative, but the tough part was to convince my parents. Especially my father wanted me to choose sports as a career, but design was something which I have always admired of channeling my all energy to. So I took a decision. I believed in myself, and I convinced them, and they said, "Okay, now that you have decided, go for it, do it. Be sure about it." So I came back from Delhi into January 2019 on 19th, and I gave my entrance exam on 28th. Although I did not clear that year, but then I joined an institute for preparation, and then again I gave my exam on 2020 January, and finally I got through it, and I was very happy and was waiting for my second round, but unfortunately pandemic happened, and they've decided to out the results. What happened is that आपके निफ्ट में फर्स्ट राउंड के दो पेपर होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ कैट क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी टेस्ट एंड सेकंड इज़ गैट जनरल एबिलिटी टेस्ट. पहले क्या होता था कि आपका 50% कैट लिया जाता था और आपका 30% ये गैट लिया जाता था एंड 20% आपका सेकेंड राउंड का लिया जाता था. This year, without conducting the second round, what they did is they took 50% of CAT and 50% of GAT, that is General Ability Test. I performed really well in my Creative Ability Test, but GAT was average. So my overall I got 44 number out of 80. My rank is in 2000, and yes, I cleared the exam. I saw the last year merit list, rank merit list, and according to it, although I have cleared the exam, but I will not get the top four branches, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Gandhinagar. And I have decided this earlier that if I will not get these, I will not take admission and I will drop my year. Decided to prepare for NID this year. Moving on further, the purpose of making the video and opening my new channel is that what I experienced and what I observed is in the last 1 year that you cannot totally depend on institute. Although they teach you very good creative skills, and they teach you, that is English, reasoning, general knowledge, maths, okay, but where they lack is the theory part, because now you're going for masters and it's not an easy job, because what they ask in their entrance is what they see in your paper, that how strong your basics are, and to improve that you have to go through all the theory part and improve your basics, the basic knowledge. Problem I faced is that I am from a totally different background, and switching to it's a whole new world for me. Also, NID is very course based. If you are giving textile or if you are giving apparel in masters, they will ask questions from this background only. So I am pursuing textile, and as I am studying, I found that I'm not able to understand many topics properly, and so I searched a lot for some online verbal classes, but I couldn't find one. And I've covered almost all the topics, so I'm gonna explain each topic in very detailed manner, and also verbally. What I observed and experienced is that if you listen to something, you can memorize it for a longer period of time. That is, क्या होता है ना कि अगर हम किसी चीज़ को पढ़ते हैं तो ओके, हमें याद रहता है कुछ दिन तक, पर अगर हम किसी चीज़ को सुनते हैं और किसी भी चीज़ को अगर बहुत ही इजी लैंग्वेज में हम उसे अपने अंदर फीड करते हैं, तो वो हमें बहुत टाइम तक याद रहता है और हमें बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आता है. तो आई एम गोना हेल्प यू गाइज विद दिस, एंड आई एम गोना एक्सप्लेन एवरी टॉपिक वर्बली. And if you have your topics that you are facing problem with, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll explain those also, and I will suggest you links and sites and other videos from where you can easily cover your basic knowledge. Also check down below the courses that I will be covering, because I really don't want to waste your time. I want you to identify is this video is helping you in some way or not. And if you like the initiative, please like, share and subscribe. Also my next video is coming on Monday, so get ready for it, and I hope you like it. Please support if you really think it's a good initiative. Until then, thank you and see you soon.